An LLC should definitely be on your list when starting a candle business. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Cujo's Candle School. My name is Marie. In today's video, I will be addressing many things you should know before starting a candle business. If you like what I'm about to share, guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video and also consider subscribing because I will be posting informative videos about starting a candle business. So, you already know why you're here. Without wasting more time, let's start. So, I have a disclaimer. This video is a general video, and in my next one, I will break it down and address each section. Whew. Now that we have that out of the way, let's begin. So, candle making, we all know that it can be stressful and overwhelming, especially when you don't know where to start. I was there, guys, and I know the feeling. So let's talk about waxes, because this is one of the things that I wish that I knew, or I wish that someone had told me, was that there are so many different waxes out there. You might not know this, but pick what works for you and not what's trending. The waxes that is popular that I first found out about was soy wax, and I did not know that there are so many other waxes such as coconut wax, soy and coconut blend, cocoa apricot, which is my favorite, also paraffin wax. There are different types of paraffin waxes as well. There is also beeswax, bees coconut blend wax, hemp soy wax actually is new from Wooden Wick Co. Websites that helped me was Candle Science. If you follow me on YouTube, you know that Candle Science is my favorite place to shop for fragrances. But what you might not know is that Candle Science actually plays a big part in educating me when it comes to candle making. Candle Science has a lot on their website, and it's more than educating you. It also shows you the wicks and helps you with your calculation or anything that you are wondering about. Another website that helped me is Wooden Wick Co. Wooden Wick Co actually helped me figure out my style, hence why you see me use wood wicks in my videos. The other website is Brambleberry. Brambleberry is more of a crafty website or videos. It really helped me to learn how to make soap, basic candle making. Speaking of website, find a website that you would like to work with and go with it. I personally use Squarespace, and so far I love it. It's very easy to use and good for people who are not tech savvy. There is another one everybody is familiar with, and that's Etsy. If you decide to use Etsy, it's free to open an account, and I want you to take it into account that when you sell something on Etsy, Etsy takes 5% transaction fee. If you accept payment through Etsy payment, they collect 3%, and they also take 25-cent payment processing fee when an item is sold. Also, when you're listing something on their website, they charge you 20 cents. But that is really not bad if you think about it, because Etsy already has a built-in customer without you having to go look for your own customers. But I want you to note that if you create a website, there are certain fees that you will have to pay, such as a website price per month or per year. So for Squarespace, it starts from $12 a month to $40 a month. They charge 3% transaction fee. Though I think Etsy is the cheapest, but I definitely encourage you to have your own website as it will benefit you in the future. Guys, remember what I stated earlier about Wooden Wick Co helping me figure out my style? Well, style matters. If you're liking this video so far, make sure you like this video and also subscribe. So style matters, guys. Make sure to choose what style you want your candle business to look like, because this will also reflect on your website and your logo and everything else. Do you want your candle business to look expensive, luxurious, simple, vintage-like? So once you figure out your style, guys, learn how to take product photography. Customers want to see your product in different settings, such as holding it, lifestyle setting like placing your product next to an object, etc. The YouTuber that I use for this is Amanda Campino. She has very good insight on such subjects, so I definitely recommend you checking her out because she provides lots of good informative videos when it comes to product photography. I want to quickly talk about search engine optimizer SEO. This is very important for people, customers to find your product either on Etsy, on your own website. So make sure you do a bit research on SEO. If you have made this far, guys, I will leave a link in the description below about everything we talked about in this video, just in case you're interested. Let's talk about shipping a bit. We all know that shipping can be very expensive, especially when using USPS, UPS, FedEx. I learned that pirate ship that was recommended by Memory Box Candle from Erica. She recommended pirate ship, and pirate ship has been very helpful for me. It is somehow affiliated with the USPS. They managed to somehow make shipping affordable for people. So if you haven't checked out Erica's channel out, she's really good. If you're starting a candle business, consider opening a business bank account. Start putting all your expenses aside and only use your business card to purchase anything that you need for your business. Keep track of your spending. Make sure you use some spreadsheet. I will leave a link in the description below where you can get the spreadsheet to record all your expenses. Open an LLC. This limited liability company will protect you against lawsuits. I recommend you find someone to help you. I personally went to my H&R blog. An accountant was able to help me. So I want to also note that get an EIN number. An EIN number is basically a business social security. Instead of giving your social security to people, you can give out your EIN number instead. So guys, this is the end of this video. Like I said before, I will come back and do more in detail. Also, everything that we talked about, the link will be left in the description below just in case you need it. If you have made it this far, don't forget to smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!